Welcome, my friends. You are here to learn English. You want to speak fluently. You want to know great stories. Today, I am sharing a true story. It is about Cleopatra's epic tale. This is a Level 1 story for beginners. Simple words, simple sentences, and big lessons. We will learn English through history. If you want to improve your English and practice listening, stay with me. Subscribe to Learn English Story Guy right now. Let us start this journey. Do not wait. Your English begins now. Cleopatra was born in 69 BC. She lived in Egypt. Her family was rich and powerful. They ruled Egypt for many years. Cleopatra was a young girl. She was smart. She learned many languages. She dreamed of being a great queen. Dreams are important. You have dreams, too. Write down one dream. Maybe it is speaking English. Say it out loud. Dreams give you strength. Vocabulary. Dream means a big goal. Strength means power. Say, my dream gives me strength. Repeat after me. Cleopatra became queen at 18. She ruled with her brother. His name was Ptolemy. But they fought. Cleopatra wanted to lead alone. She was brave. She faced big challenges. Leadership is hard. Learning English is hard, too. Be brave like Cleopatra. Speak one English sentence today. Record it. Listen to it. Bravery builds your fluency. Vocabulary. Brave means having courage. Challenge means a difficult task. Say, I am brave with English. Repeat after me. Cleopatra met Julius Caesar. He was a leader from Rome. She needed his help. She spoke to him in his language. They became friends. Cleopatra was smart. She used words to win. Words are powerful. Your English words are powerful, too. Learn 5 English words today. Write them down. Say them out loud. Words build your future. Vocabulary. Leader means someone who guides. Powerful means strong. Say, my words are powerful. Repeat after me. Cleopatra ruled Egypt alone. She made her country strong. She built ships. She gave food to her people. She worked hard. Hard work changes lives. Your English needs hard work. Practice for 10 minutes today. Write one new word. Say it 5 times. Hard work transforms your fluency. Vocabulary. Rule means to lead a country. Work means effort. Say, hard work builds my English. Repeat after me. Cleopatra met Mark Antony. He was another Roman leader. They fell in love. They had 3 children. They worked together. Love and teamwork are strong. Find a friend to practice English. Say one sentence to them today. Laugh together. Teamwork builds your fluency. Vocabulary. Love means a strong feeling. Teamwork means working together. Say, teamwork helps my English. Repeat after me. Cleopatra faced enemies. Rome wanted her land. She fought to protect Egypt. She used her mind. She spoke well. Speaking well wins battles. Speak one English sentence today. Say it clearly. Write it down. Speaking builds your strength. Vocabulary. Enemy means someone against you. Protect means to keep safe. Say, speaking makes me strong. Repeat after me. Cleopatra lost a big battle. It was called Actium. She fought with Mark Antony. They could not win. Failure was hard. But failure teaches lessons. You will fail in English sometimes. Make one mistake today. Ask someone to fix it. Write the correct sentence. Failure builds your fluency. Vocabulary. Failure means not succeeding. Lesson means something you learn. Say, failure teaches me lessons. Repeat after me. Cleopatra died in 30 BC. She was 39 years old. Her story is famous. She was strong and smart. Her life ended, but her tale lives. Stories inspire us. Your English story is important. Write one English sentence about you. Say it out loud. Your story builds your future. Vocabulary. Famous means known by many people. Inspire means to give energy. Say, stories inspire my English. Repeat after me. Cleopatra learned many languages. She spoke Greek and Egyptian. She learned to win friends. Learning languages is power. Learn one English word today. Say it 5 times. Write it down. Language builds your fluency. Vocabulary. Language means words of a country. Win means to succeed. Say, language helps me win. Repeat after me. Cleopatra read books. She studied history. Books made her smart. Reading helps you, too. Find a simple English book today. Read one page. Write down one new word. Reading builds your fluency. Vocabulary. History means the story of the past. Smart means intelligent. Say, reading makes me smart. Repeat after me. Cleopatra listened to people. She heard their needs. Listening made her a good leader. Your ears are your teachers. Listen to one English video today. Write down 3 words you hear. Say them out loud. Listening builds your fluency. Vocabulary. Listen means to hear with attention. Need means something you want. Say, listening helps my English. Repeat after me. Cleopatra was confident. She believed in herself. Confidence made her strong. You need confidence, too. Say one English sentence today. Say it with confidence. Write it down. Confidence builds your fluency. Vocabulary. Confidence means believing in yourself. Believe means to trust. Say, confidence makes me fluent. Repeat after me. Cleopatra used her voice. She spoke to kings. Her words changed history. Your voice is powerful. Speak one English sentence today. Record it. Share it. Your voice builds your future. Vocabulary. Voice means the sound you make. Change means to make different. Say, my voice changes my future. Repeat after me. Cleopatra faced criticism. People said bad things. She stayed strong. Positivity helped her. Find one positive English speaker today. Watch their videos. Follow their advice. Positivity builds your fluency. Vocabulary. Criticism means bad words. Positivity means good thoughts. Say, positivity makes me fluent. Repeat after me. Cleopatra was persistent. She never gave up. She fought for Egypt. Persistence leads to success. Be persistent in English. Practice one new word today. Say it 5 times. Write it down. Persistence builds your fluency. Vocabulary. Persistent means not giving up. Success means achieving a goal. Say, persistence leads to success. Repeat after me. Cleopatra used tools. She used ships and words. Tools helped her lead. Use tools for English. Download one English learning app today. Use it for 10 minutes. Watch one video. Tools build your fluency. Vocabulary. Tool means something that helps. Lead means to guide. Say, tools help me lead. Repeat after me. Cleopatra dreamed big. She wanted a strong Egypt. Big dreams push you. Dream big for your English. Write down one big dream. Read it every day. Dreams build your future. Vocabulary. Dream means a big goal. Push means to move forward. Say, dreams push my English. Repeat after me. Cleopatra's story inspires us. She was smart and brave. You can be smart and brave. Practice English every day. Speak one sentence. Listen to one story. Your story is epic. Vocabulary. Epic means big and exciting. Inspire means to give energy. Say, my story is epic. Repeat after me. My friends, Cleopatra's tale is powerful. She shows us courage and persistence. Your English is your journey. Practice every day. English is not just words. It is power. It is freedom. You are not alone. I believe in you. Learn English Story Guy is here for you. Subscribe now. Share this video. Practice English every day. Create your epic tale today. Your future is waiting. Go get it. See you in the next video. Stay strong.